Hello student, in this video we will study about the solutions of the basic problems under the socialistic economic system. So as we have discussed in the previous video about the capitalistic economic structure, in this video we will study about the socialistic economic structure. So socialistic economic structure refers to the economic system which is owned, controlled, planned and regulated by the government. For example, China, Cuba, Vietnam, these are some of the examples of socialistic economic system. Now the question arises, the three major central problems of the economy, what were the solutions or what are the solutions? The very first is what to produce and how much to produce. Again, the same question, the question in the three economic system will be the same, but the answer will be the different. So in the socialistic economic system, the if we talk about the what to produce, what amount of the production must be produced, so the planning authority makes an estimation or the decision regarding the economic and the human resources in the organization, in the economy. That is, the planning authority, as we have already discussed this in the class, that planning authority or the planning commission is required in the socialistic economic system. They frame 5-year plans for the economy basically, or maybe they plan for the future economic activities, what will be the economic activities for the economy for the future period. They will decide. They are the prime agency in the socialistic economic system which do central planning also, and they determine that what amount should be produced in the economy. They will definitely take care of the needs and wants and the national priorities. National priorities मतलब जो हमारे nation के लिए important है, that must be kept at a very prime level. Then the next, how to produce, which technique should be considered while producing the goods and services. So again the answer comes, this will be also done by the centrally planned economy, or this will be also done by the central authorities or the central planners. They will decide that the most efficient technique, the technique which is cheapest, the technique which will fulfill the social objective will be selected. So student, as I have already told you that there are two major techniques, that is the labor intensive and the capital intensive. So according to the economic structure of that particular country, they will decide, and that the technique which will serve the social objective, that must be selected by the economy, that is the socialistic economy. Then the third question comes, for whom to produce, किसके लिए produce करना है. Obviously we are talking about the socialistic economy. The prime objective of socialistic economy is to provide the social welfare. So all the productive resources are owned by the government in this economy. So the government will decide that the production should be done for all the levels of the economy. That means whether it is richer section, whether it is poorer section, it must be kept in mind that all the sections of the society must be equally benefited. A socialistic economy aims an equitable distribution of income or other resources while fixing the wages for the different categories of the workers. That means there must be equality in the distribution of the wages, in the distribution of the product, in the distribution of the production. That is the simple and the main objective of the socialistic economy. Once again I am going to repeat it. That is, in the socialistic economy, what should be produced? The production should be done on the decision must be made by the planning authority and at the humanitarian approach, that which is benefited for the economy and the national interest. जो भी हमारे नेशन के लिए बेनिफिटेड है, हमें वो प्रोड्यूस करना है, एंड जो हमारे लोगों की सोशल नीड को फुलफ़िल करे. देन हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस, किस तरीके से प्रोड्यूस करना है. अगेन द the system which is more efficient, whether it is labor intensive or capital intensive. Then the next is for whom to produce, किसके लिए production करना है. Again this must be produced for the all the levels of the economy, और हर section के लिए हमें produce करना है, whether it is richer, whether it is poorer, or whether it is middle. That means equal distribution of product और equal distribution of income भी हमें इसमें देखना है. That this is the solution under the socialistic economic system. We in the previous video we have completed about the capitalistic economic system and their problems and their answers. In this video we have completed the socialistic economic system and their answer are the solutions of the basic problems. In the next video we will discuss about the mixed economic system and their answers regarding central problems of an economy. Thank you.